What is your everyday warm-up?
My everyday warm-up is not every day. My warm-up, when I have time, of course, is a really one kind of exercise for the technique, for the sound. And I think that Jean-Jean Vademecum is fantastic for this, because it's possible to play super fast and it's possible to play super slow. If you play slow, you understand very well, especially in the first exercise, no? All the interval, this kind of interval you have really to fix in your ears, no? Like a violin. What I try to teach to my students, when there is the semitone, the violin stay very close with the finger. They don't go far away. And when we play the same, we have to be really more next to the violin technique. This is my idea, of course. And the Vademecum is a very good book, because it's very small, but it's very full of nice exercise for the left hand, for the right hand. And I find that this book very, very, very interesting. I do Krebs scale. No, there are a few books of Krebs, I think 3 or 4, I don't remember very well. I like to do the scale book with the different articulation, different rhythm, for the flexibility. And of course you find that in the end the exercise for the arpeggio too, that for me are very, 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 very interesting. And I like to do, of course, Berman, the very big book, Berman of Meister Technische Studien. This is fantastic for all. You find all the solution for solve the problem, the clarinet. And I like to teach to my students now that something don't happen. For example, there is one very good example in Debussy Rhapsody, no? This all the arpeggio, no? Yes, if you play only them, it's really very, very, very minimal the practice that you do. If you keep this arpeggio, and you find this arpeggio in Berman, there is no this diminished arpeggio, you have a very big possibility to make very good exercise, and you don't go through the passage only in one way. You try to move in different way for solve the problem. And Berman, this very fantastic book, is I think the solution for all the problems. Of course, it's not possible to play all the book every day. This is very crazy. You need hours, no? It is impossible, I think. But try to organize your life to practice in the correct way and a very clever way. You will solve a lot of problems in your technique life.
What is your setup?
My setup is a Ripa Gold Clarinet in B and a Ripa Italia model Clarinet in A. I have a Ripa mouthpiece 125 or Chadeville. I want Chadeville very old Chadeville, and one Cookmeyer Planic model, Solist model, and plastic reed Leger.
Could you talk to us about the Ripa clarinets?
I play a Ripa clarinet, no, that is here, no. I play the Ripa Gold 18 carats model, no, the top of the quality of the Ripa clarinet. Ripamonti factory is a factory that is since 1975. It started to build clarinet, but the quality was for amateur, for banda, for not super, what you're supposed to say, professional, no? And with Flavio Ripamonti, no, the son of the founder of the factory. 10 years ago, he proposed to me one clarinet, no, one prototype of clarinet. And when I start to practice this clarinet, I say, wow, I have a good feeling. It's very interesting. The sound, the quality of the wood, the vibration of the clarinet was a bit different than my old buffet. I played with L13 for a lot of time, 20 years. And I said, leave to me this clarinet. I want to try it. And okay, I started to go home very enthusiastic about this clarinet. Very ergonomic, very nice, very good intonation, very good sound. And I went to my orchestra with this clarinet. And some people from the orchestra say, but Paolo, you changed with a German clarinet because the sound is very interesting, very nice. And I don't know if it's a compliment or not, because someone like the German clarinet, someone no. I like, personally, I like the German clarinet quality sound. No? And I said, no, I changed the clarinet. I'm trying this new prototype clarinet. And my orchestra, every day, I try to understand if the projection of the clarinet was good, the intonation was good, and I decided to change my life, no? 10 years ago, 47, 46, no? For that, I think that I'm old, but I try to look forward, no? Sometimes you don't have to fix yourself in one chair and stay there all the life. It's possible to move, to change, to try something new. And I changed all my life because I start to play this Ripa clarinet. The first one was not gold, was silver. And I tried his mouthpiece, no? And this mouthpiece with the plastic reed, they work very well, fantastic. And I tried the new clarinet with the new reeds, with the new mouthpiece, and I found one very good feeling with this kind of new setup. And it's still here. From 10 years, I use not the same, of course. I change the mouthpiece, I change the barrier, I change a lot of things, but I am really happy about this setup that I have. And I'm so proud too, because I think that I'm helping one Italian factory, no? It's sometimes the people are not really, what is possible to say, nationalist, I don't know. And they think that the things that arrive from abroad are the best, no? All the time. But I found one very good feeling, one very good opportunity to play one Italian clarinet that I love. And I am very happy about the result that I had with this clarinet. I recorded a lot of things, I played a lot of concerts, solist, not solist, and all the time I receive from outside, from other people, fantastic feedback. And this is I'm very happy because I worked with Ripa, no? I work with him to the development of this instrument, and I'm very happy about the result, sure. And I invite you to try this instrument. I think that you have to really be able to open your mind when you are trying a new instrument. It's not like your old instrument. It's different. You have to find the positive things and the negative things, but I think that it depend about your approaching about your feeling. If you are in the good mood to try the instrument, you find the good things. If you are not interested to try the new instrument, sure, you find all the bad things in the instrument. No, this is not in tune, this is not in tune. Yes, but all the instruments are not in tune. There is not the perfect instrument. in the life.
Plastic or wood reeds? What do you think?
It's already 10 years, around 10 years that I play Leger European cut reeds. And of course, I like to be innovative. I like to be open to the world that is around us. No, all change, no, around us. The technology, the cars, the life change. But the brain of the clarinet player doesn't change. No, sometimes when you say, "I play plastic reed," "Oh, but you're crazy. The sound is shit. It's not nice." And it's true if you don't have the setup, the correct setup, no? Because, for example, for me, no, not all the mouthpiece work with the plastic reed. You need really to find the setup for have a good balance between the reeds and the mouthpiece. I think I found for myself this good balance, and I don't come back. I don't come back. Sometimes someone proposed to me, Paolo, why you don't play this kind of reed, this kind of brand or this? I'm happy like now. I found my good feeling when I start to play in orchestra or start to play in chamber music concert, in solist concert. I tried this reed everywhere, in solist way, in orchestra, in chamber music, and I found all the time a very good feeling with them. I'm very happy, quiet and happy. No stress with the normal reeds. It's true that you have to buy one reed and it's quite expensive, this reed. Yeah, but it's the same because now if you have to buy one box of reed, you spend the same, and sometimes you find one reed, two reeds. I played the reed, normal reed for 30 years, of course. I know the story, and for that I was very good. I was very I was able to touch the reeds. I tried to teach to my student how you have to touch the reed. I have a lot of machine, I have a lot of knife, a lot of things. But of course, with the plastic reed that I play now, I don't have to do nothing. I have in my case 2 or 3 reeds. I know that if one reed is not good, I open another one, and I play like the previous one. And this for me is very nice. I'm very quiet. I don't have stress. If you go to play, for example, I don't know, in very high mountain, the normal reeds become very hard. If you go to play in very place where you are next to the sea, they become very humid, very with a lot of saliva. The plastic reed is all the time the same, doesn't change. This is, I think, is a very good things for the clarinet player, no? Because you are sure that the reed is this one and this one, not change. And after it's possible to talk about the vibration, about the harmonics, about the sound, about what you want. But I think that if you find the combination, the setup, the balance with the setup, I think you don't realize. You realize when you play plastic reed only if you see the people play plastic reed. If you don't see the people play plastic reed, sometimes you don't realize. And sometimes it's only one mental problem. No? It's like do one competition. No? If you the competition, the people are behind the curtain, no, behind one screen. You have to listen and stop. You don't see if it's a girl, if it's a man, if you play buffet, selmer, ripa, bakun, or other kind of instrument, or if you play plastic reed or wood reed, Van Doren, or the different brand, no? Because sometimes now we are thinking about the brand, we are thinking about the tradition, about something. I think that if you close your eyes and you listen the concert and the performance, this you try to be co-involved in this kind of audition, competition, concert, only for what you hear, not for what you see. This is the problem now. I think I'm not 150 years old, of course, no, 57 now, but my generation of clarinet, we start to play clarinet without the technology, no internet, no YouTube, not all this kind of thing. We start to play with the CD, with LP, no? And there you don't see the player. You see, you only listen. You don't see if the player is fat, is slim, he has a hair, he don't have a hair, he has a tattoo, not a tattoo, no, something like that. No? Only here. Now we lose this kind a bit, not all the people, but we lose this kind of this atmosphere. We see, no, and when you see, it's different your idea about the music, because why if someone play different instrument or different reeds, you like or you don't like. And sometimes I had this experience with myself too, no? If the people don't know if you are playing plastic reed, all the people say, oh, fantastic. If you say, but you know that I play plastic reed. Now I understand why I didn't feel this. Sorry, the first that you say was fantastic. No.